So guys, see, this is a post, and this post always get click, and the secret is this is a tools where a BTS lover can see his army squad name by just inputting his or her name. And this is very engaging post. If you can make this type of post and share in Facebook, see, just click your name, write your name and click on the get my army squad. A automatic image will be shown, and all time you click on get my army squad, new member ID, new member name already shown, and this is the BTS game traffic secret. I mean, I will target the BTS lover to get impression in my blog. How? I just make a tools for them for fun and they will click. So to make these tools, you have to come first Adsterra, and after come you need to open a Google Sheet, and there you will just copy paste the banner code only. I will take only banner code. Just take any 2 or 3 banner code from your Adsterra to make these tools. This is a matchmaker BTS tools. Okay, see, after this you just paste in here, done. And another code you need to copy from the Adsterra. Okay, I just copied it and pasted it in here. Now what I will do repeat the whole code several times. Like, this is very simple to repeat and very simple to copy or paste in anywhere. Now my next work is download the total direct link. I need those direct link because I will marketing those link, and this is very simple work. See, I am just making the prompt already. I have done. You need to just copy the all direct link in and paste it in there. That's it. See, this is the prompt, and you have to paste the direct link in this section, nothing more. Just paste the direct link in here and all done. So I just pasted in here, and you now copy the whole ChatGPT code from here. I will share you this prompt with you. Just copy this, okay, and paste it in new chat in ChatGPT. Paste it here and then enter. A new game code will show in a very little time. So now my ChatGPT code is almost ready, and this is very simple to make a fun game, make a targeted audience tools, which I call actually. This is very simple. You have to just copy and paste. Just follow as I did. Now my tools ready, everything is ready. What I am doing, it's very simple. I am just making a simple tools for BTS lover. Okay, done. And I am going to go make a new post and paste the code in here, and it is very simple. I will just make a new post, and after that I will paste the new code in here and publish button. Okay, I just forgot it, the banner code to paste in the post, so I will copy the banner code from here and paste it in the blog post and down, and paste it in here and update. Okay, so my all things is ready. Now I can test my blog post, my tools, actually how it will work. See, BTS matchmaker, and the tools already loaded with ads, so many ads. So if someone play these tools, I will get so many impression automatically. Now what I am doing, I am just inputting a name, like any person name you can write here, and this tool will give you a BTS matchmaker, which team, which army squad you are in. This is a fun game. BTS lover love this type of games, so that I made this type of games. Okay, now get my army. When anyone click, I will get impression because this is add code added in the button. So congratulations, there is already written. Congratulations, you are in Gene Army. This is very simple. You are in Gene Army. This is very simple. And share on WhatsApp. Already have a button to share on WhatsApp. Anyone who is BTS lover, he can share with another BTS lover my tool. This is very simple. Okay, now see, I am what is doing, I am going to share these tools with very unique way. Like I'll now find out where people are like this tool, and I know where they like. So this is very simple tools. I just made it. Now I am going to marketing it, and I know how to get the right traffic in my post, and very simple way. And you can also make, you just need the way to make this. See, BTS fan group, and in this group everyone like this type of post. Because why? Because they love BTS, so they love to play BTS type games, BTS type any tools. I am just choosing any group who just to post. Some group not approve your post, but you can wait. If your post is valid, you will get approved. Don't worry, so many group has open approve, you don't need any approve, so don't worry. So many group you will find. Just post as much as you can. Okay, so what I am doing is very simple way to get traffic in my Adsterra account. Okay, I am just taking a screenshot and I am going to make a short post. First I need to copy the URL and make it URL shortener, because if I directly post it in Facebook, maybe sometimes Facebook disable, I mean delete or disable the link. And also some group do not allow direct link, they prepare they prefer URL shortener. So I am just taking a URL shortener, and see if your URL shortener is ready, you need to test it is working or not. And it is very simple way, just copy and paste in a new tab, just test it. Okay, it is working, so I can use the URL shortener. So what I'm going to do, I make a new post for Facebook. So what I will do, in new chat, this is a link of fun game name BTS matchmaker. So this is the name. Okay, BTS matchmaker, and your army. Very simple, I mean matchmaker army. And I will paste the link here. Sorry, okay, paste it in here. Done. Now I'll command a short Facebook post in ChatGPT. I need to share it in Facebook group with emoji to attract viewer. I am just giving this prompt to ChatGPT. Done. My all task is now complete. ChatGPT have given me a Facebook post text. I will just copy the first 3 line. Last 3 line I don't need. Okay. So okay, you can add hashtag if you want. So many hashtag you can use in your post. Now this URL will not directly work in Facebook because Facebook have some rules. So I will, after post, I will paste it in the comment section, because this is very much important. Always paste your link in comment section. Sometimes if they cannot click in the direct post, they will come to see if the link is in comment. So see, it is no problem. I will make the link as clickable. I just copy the link and paste it in the comment. My all things is done. Next, what I'm gonna do is very simple, and I will test the link it is working or not in my mobile. In my Android set, I will just test the link as it is working or not. But my whole post is ready, and you have to do this type of test just repeatedly in several groups. That's it. So now I'm going to test it in my Android. Let's test it. Okay, this is my Android and I am going to test it in here. This is Facebook post, and see BTS matchmaker, nice post, and BTS lover will definitely click on this post, and when they try, I will get impression from my blog site. See, my blog is loading with several ads, and impression is generating for me by only using these tools very simply, very easily. And BTS matchmaker tool will make money for me in a very easy way. And this is the game changer, guys, you need to do in your blog, in your working method. I mean, just doing the right thing, you will get so many traffic. See, if someone type their name, they are already a image shown, you are in B Army, RM Army, Jungkook Army, so many BTS singer have. And I can share this with WhatsApp button also. See, when I click on WhatsApp, I can share this, and I'm testing the WhatsApp button is working or not in the WhatsApp. So see, the WhatsApp link also working, and if someone click on WhatsApp link, the link is working very well with ad. So my all task is done. I am just now going to share it with my WhatsApp within the Facebook group to target the BTS lover to get click in my blog. That's very simple. To get the targeted audience, you need to make the right post. This is very simple way to get impression in your blog. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. I will share this prompt, this ChatGPT prompt with you in comment section, and in description you can copy and paste it and use it for your blogger or WordPress anywhere you want, and in very simple way you can generate so much traffic in your blog. Thank you, and good to see you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.